Alrighty, so here's the main manufacturing desk that you'll see that we do all of our work at as far as building a Speed-Rite. We're proud to be a kind of a black and white company, which means no BS. Uh, when we sell you a product, we want it to go out into the field, easy to install, and work properly for years. We don't want to have you do a lot of maintenance in between, so we'll give you all kinds of advice as to what to do, what to look for in your machine before you install a Speed-Rite. And these hints will help you in the long run to make sure that you build your machine properly before putting a Speed-Rite on. So look at the how-to videos. Proud to introduce our newest product right here is our Speed-Rite. It's going to be a single phase unit. It's got a braking resistor. This one is going to be the heavy duty series. We're going to sell two different units in a single phase. If you're going to do a lot of power tapping, stuff where you're starting and stopping the unit a lot, we're going to suggest that you use the heavy duty series. We'll have a standard duty series, which would be similar to our other three-phase units, which are right here, and no, them numbers aren't really scrolling. The camera just picks it up that way. But that's your standard duty. This is how it mounts. Simple, easy to do. The single phase unit is going to be a little bit more intense to install on the heavy duty. On the regular duty, standard duty, it's just going to be hanging on there just like those two. But when it comes to this heavy duty, we'll have a cabinet. Nice thing about the cabinet is it will have a main disconnect switch on the outside of the cabinet. So here is the single phase heavy duty 220 volt, and it's going to run with the same motor that we use on our three-phase units, and we're 3 horsepower motors. This is a 3 horsepower motor. We make them for several different manufacturers. Doesn't just have to be our main US machine. We can put them on. We just made some for some jet mills. We've made them for fryers. We've made them for Sharps and Chevaliers. Just to name a few. If it's out there, we can help you get it made. The main thing is the adapter, and sometimes we even have to build special adapters. We can do that. Bridgeport Series 2s, we offer them in a 5 horsepower for the Bridgeport Series 2 or the Bridgeport Series 2 style imports that have 5 horsepower, 30 or 40 taper spindles. We also offer 5 horsepower units. You do have to specify whether you want them in 220 or 440 volts, or in this case, single phase 220. So, if you have any questions, again, don't feel at all afraid of calling and asking questions. That's what we're here for. We want to answer your questions. We want to give you as much advice as possible so that when you get your units, you put them on and they run for years.